Positions.
This Zwartkops RCX Championship action is proudly brought to you by Motul, Sixmic, and Picco.
Right, 5, 4, 3, 2. Take it easy, guys. Take it easy at the start. Ek sal julle nou sê, ry julle net, moenie worry nie. Right, so Shireen's in the lead, followed by Yolandi, followed by Shanky, Stefan, Isak, Kian. So Stefan in the lead with the juniors, Isak second. So Shireen would be one of the black and white cars. Oh no, yeah, Shireen is a black and white car, yes. The one coming through start finish now. Shanky ahead of her on the track with the black and pink.
No, that's
Oh, that's Yoli in the black and pink.
Yes, and I'm making way for her.
There we go, thank you very much. Shanky not on the track at the moment. Technical problema. Jawel.
Ek is baie jammer vir daai ene. Dankie, Justin.
Right, so Shireen still got the lead on the track. Stefan is in second place, followed by Isak in third. Derde. Derde, seun. Isak 9 seconds behind Stefan. Right, so Isak coming up towards the paved section now. That's the grey and orange car in the Motul colours. Hello.
Please can you print me, is that the two or what?
No, there's just one. Must I print the second one?
One of the correct ones, I can put it on the door of the container, please.
Okay. 35 seconds remaining, guys. Shireen still in the lead. Just going on to the bobbled section now. Heading towards start finish, the TLR corner. Time's up, guys. Time's up. Complete the lap that you're on. Complete the lap that you are on. Well done to Shireen for taking the win. Yolandi in second place for the seniors, for the Otani class, like they called it earlier. Stefan taking the win in the juniors, followed by Isak, 3.5 seconds behind Stefan. Kian in third place. We have our Kian. And Amanique in her first race in fourth. Well done, Amanique. Complete the lap that you are on, guys. Isak, jy is klaar. Jy hoef nie meer te jaag nie. Oh,
Right.
yeah. Right, let's do this. 5 minutes of fun. 5, 4, 3, 2. And after that, you're going to be at the corner.
Ja, daar moet je niet.
Just a reminder to all these drivers, while you're standing or waiting, you settle your bowls, please. Settle your bowls and your bobs and all those, your uncles.
Ach, is jammer, Frankie.
Can I let drivers start getting ready, or no, let two drivers, we're facing the sun. You want to see when you're driving, you want to be ready. Shanks, are you in the lead, Shanks? Oh no, Shireen's in the lead, sorry. My computer lied to me for a second. And on the track, Isak is second place. Let's find our lead pair. Shireen heading towards start finish now. Isak here by the paved section.
Rustig, Isak, rustig. Bly op jou voete. Jou hielen.
Op jou wat?
Rustig.
Ek dink ons moet jou recording maak. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining. Shireen still in the lead, followed by Yolandi and Isa first in the juniors, followed by Kian, Amanique, Stefan. Stefan, jy het nog net een lap gedoen volgens myself, so is dit reg? I wonder agter die been? Okay. Nou, hoe gaan ek dit toets? Ek dink sy transponder is pop.
Dat was nummer 6.
Was dit 6?
Ja. En dit sy was...
Nee, wacht, eens kyk ek gou wat van die baas. Want hy het opgetel met 'n red 7 en daar was 'n unknown wat ek vir Shanky gegee het, want sy het nie opgetel nie.
Chance, did you just cross the line? Okay, let's just see.
Ons kan ons het nou ver voor. Sien ek kan nie op nie.
Have you got a transponder in your car?
Was dit Stefan se?
I don't think so.
Waar Stefan se?
Yeah.
Ja, waar Stefan se? Stefan het nummer 6.
You were supposed to have number... No, you were supposed to have something else in, not 7. How am I going to change this? This is going to be fun. Okay, time's up guys, time's up on the clock. Please complete the lap as you are on. Okay, waar eindig Stefan? Tweede? Derde geëindig? Ja, maar van die juniors is hy tweede. Okay. Ja, die reis is verby. Bring julle karre in, die reis is klaar. Well done to Shireen taking the win. Shanky second, Yolandi third. Isak first in the juniors, Stefan second. Ek sal jou na die tyd